Your Piedmont experience starts here. Houses in Piedmont real estate. Find your dream home in a fairy tale landscape. Imagine waking up to breathtaking panoramic views of rolling vineyards and the majestic Alps, right here in the heart of Italy's renowned Langhe region. Located in the charming town of Dogliani, you're just moments from the beautiful Madonna delle Grazie Sanctuary. This independent villa, ready for your personal touch, offers 2 spacious levels, a private garden, and the chance to create your dream Italian escape. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to own your piece of paradise. Click the link below to discover more and schedule your private viewing today.